Hey mamas, welcome to my YouTube channel, This Mama Counts. My name is Noemi Aguilar. I am the founder of the Mama Counts bookkeeping course, and I also run a virtual bookkeeping and tax firm, all from the comfort of my home, pretty much from anywhere. Talk about ways that you can start your own bookkeeping business. I know I've heard it over and over again, and I hear it all the time that bookkeepers need to have some form of degree, some form of certification. But you know what? I'm here to tell you that no, you don't. You do not need any of that. What you do need is continued education, knowledge, experience, and know what you are doing. This is super important for people to understand the concept of what you're going to be doing in bookkeeping and know how to apply it for your clients. So these are some of the steps that you can take to become a virtual bookkeeper. First step you want to take is learn the skills you need with training. What does this mean? Honestly, you don't have to go back to college and learn the skill set, because number one, you're gonna get sucked into wanting to take a biology class and having to take an art class and any other classes that you really are super irrelevant to learning bookkeeping. But you do want to seek this knowledge, and you do want to learn this skill set by a course. You can take on a lot of online courses. Check out the one that I have right here. And it's gonna talk to you about the bookkeeping theory, and mainly that's where you wanna focus on. You want to make sure that you understand the theory behind bookkeeping and everything that has to do with it, because in the end, doesn't matter what software you end up using, as long as you understand the concept and theory of bookkeeping that goes in the back end, you can really use any software and you're going to be really good at it. Another really cool resource that I like to recommend a lot is look at QuickBooks Online certifications trainings. Now, they're not going to teach you the bookkeeping language theory and behind that I was telling you about, but they are going to teach you how to use their software. I personally love to use QuickBooks Desktop, but I promise you that QuickBooks Online can also serve you, and they have a lot of free training. Go check them out here. Another really cool resource that I like to recommend a lot is look at QuickBooks Online certifications trainings, right? Now, they're not going to teach you the bookkeeping language theory and behind that I was telling you about, but they are going to teach you how to use their software. I personally love to use QuickBooks Desktop, but I promise you that QuickBooks Online can also serve you, and they have a lot of free training. Go check them out here, so that way you can start to learn a software when it comes to bookkeeping, because bookkeeping in the end is going to be so much easier when you have a software and something that is going to help you back up to make the tracking of all of these financial transactions so much easier for you. And I just personally love to use QuickBooks. The next step you want to do is make sure that you set up your business. Honestly, the only tools you need to become a bookkeeper is you need a laptop, you need the internet, and you need an accounting software. Once you have those three things in place, you want to make sure that you also set yourself up as an actual business. That means registering yourself as a single member LLC or sole proprietorship, either or. Create a structure, set up your business, register your business, put a name to your business, and you want to start showing up as a professional that you are, because yes, you are a professional. A couple other fun tools that you can get as you're setting yourself up as a business. You want to look at getting a professional email. You want to look at getting a good Calendly system, calendar like Google Suite as well. You want to look into Google Suite, OneDrive, something like that, that is going to allow you to have virtual online cloud storage and access, because this is going to be super good for you to be able to share information with your clients virtually. Again, we're talking about a virtual office. Here I am in my home office that I get to work literally from anywhere, but you want to make sure you have the right tool set up, the right structure, the right systems in place so that you can literally work from anywhere. The next thing you want to do, mama, as you have set yourself as a business, you want to get a client. I know this is probably going to be the most nerve-wracking, the hardest thing you're going to do, because you're going to be like, no, maybe I'm not ready. I don't know. What if I mess up? What if this? There's going to be so many obstacles going through your brain and your mind that are going to be telling you why you shouldn't get a client. But honestly, mamas, you have to get a client. You want to know why? Because you don't know what you don't know. And then until you get to working with a client, are you going to know how to actually do a proper book job? Honestly, you are going to mess up a lot. You are going to maybe fail at your first time, but you know what? If we don't fail, we're not gonna know how to do things. So we're gonna learn by doing. But again, I highly recommend that as you've learned this skill set, as you establish yourself as a business, and as you're seeking clients, you're also looking for a community, some form of group, some form of accountability group that you can be part of, kind of like the one that I have. You can check it out over here, Mom Accounts Bookkeeping Community in Facebook. It's a Facebook group where we support each other in bookkeeping. We get stuck on something, we can talk about it, allowing ourselves to make these mistakes, but also allowing ourselves to learn from our mistakes. Because let me tell you, are you gonna mess up one day? You are. And can it be fixed? Absolutely. So don't be scared to mess up, because you can fix things, but you have to learn by doing. That is the best way for you to get experience. I'm not gonna lie. So now that you have landed your client, the next step is you wanna serve your clients like if your life depended on it. Seriously. You want to make sure that you over deliver, serve and impact your clients, because they're going to be the ones who are actually going to be referring you to more clients. And that is how your business is now going to start to grow and structure yourself as being this professional, as being this person who knows what they're doing as a bookkeeper. As you want to make sure that, as you're going through this, you're not going through this alone. It is super, super crucial and important. You want to make sure that you have a community that you are a part of, so that way when you do get stuck, when you do get imposter syndrome, when you do feel like you don't know what you're doing, you have somebody to ask questions about, okay? Because will you get stuck? Absolutely. Will you feel intimidated and get some imposter syndrome? Absolutely. We all get it. So you want to make sure that you're not going through this business by yourself. The last step, mamas, is literally rinse and repeat. You want to make sure that you are connecting with clients. You want to make sure that you are serving the heck out of your clients, that you're giving massive value to them, and that you are connecting with people that you genuinely want to work with. Just remember, to be virtual doesn't mean that you're only going to be connecting with people online. You can also connect with local people, local clients, and we're going to talk about that in another video. But let me know below in the comment section, what is your best takeaway from here? What are some of the tools that you use as a virtual bookkeeper? Or if there's anything else you want me to add on becoming a virtual bookkeeper, make sure that you subscribe. Click that notification bell for you to get reminded whenever I drop a new video of this Mom Accounts. And if you want to connect further with me, I do have a Facebook group called the Mom Accounts Bookkeeping Community, where you can join us right here, and make sure that you form a part of over 3,800 mamas who are there on this journey to becoming a Mama Accounts, a virtual bookkeeper, and some of the tools and awesome things that they're doing. So make sure you follow me there, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Let me know what you thought. See you later, mamas. Bye. And I'm so excited to be here one more time. And just know that, wait, this is gonna be a long pause. Let's see, does this work fine? My voice sounds horrible because what there, right here. Okay. I think this is take 2, take 3. I don't know. Let's get this party going.